Hey guys, Red Pen Mining here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. All right, this is not a GPU mining or ASIC mining video. This is a video about a DePIN project called Demo, and they just announced a new device called the Demo LTE R1. I want to talk about this throughout this video, but also mainly I wanted to show you guys my experience now with Demo over the past year now, or about 10 months, 11 months, that I've had the mobile app installed for Demo, and my Tesla Model X has been connected to the Demo app since I set this up about 10 to 11 months ago. So I wanted to talk about my rewards here and just talk about how much it's worth, and essentially has been paying for all of my electricity for charging my Tesla. So right away, just to show you guys here. So since I started about, I think the second week of December or third week of December of last year, 2023, I earned about 42 Demo that day. And then the 31st was 41. Okay. And you can see my earnings, right? You guys can see my earnings here. Every other 7 or 8 days, there's a baseline drop essentially. And so looking at how much I've been earning, it's pretty much averaging between 28 to 40 I've seen. So more recently though, now it's been getting about 29 to 29.54 Demo every payment. How much I've earned in total is about, for the past 10 months, is about $11.94 Demo. And I believe that's worth about $201 USD. So if I were to show you guys here, my Tesla app of how much, just my charging stats over the past 10 months here, I have used about $187 worth of electricity. So Demo has essentially paid off my electricity usage on my Tesla Model X over the past year, which has been free, because with Teslas, you actually don't need to buy any device. It's just connecting it to the Demo app, Demo Mobile here, which I've done over the past 10 to 11 months here. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. I've never, made a video or talked about Demo in the past. This is, again, one of my first videos doing it. I actually heard about this from Swan Castle Crypto. I watched his video on it, and he said that, Teslas are actually free through the app. So to hook up. So I was like, that's awesome. And so I did that, and lo and behold, this is how much I've earned over the past 10 months. So let's talk about now their new model here, their Demo LTE R1. This thing, okay, it plugs into the OBD2 port in your car, okay? So this is not going to be for electric vehicles. I don't know any electric vehicles that have a OBD2 port, but this is going to be for any vehicles 2008 and newer. Okay, trucks to sedans. And so all it's doing is accessing the car's data, and then the data will be shared with businesses or whoever wants it to analyze or to improve their systems. Let's say an auto manufacturer like BMW or something, want to use this information. So I believe that's how Demo's business model is. And so I know they had a previous model. I believe it was the Demo Auto Pi, which was much bigger. I've never had experience with their older model, okay, which cost almost 2 times more, right? And then their LTE R1 is $169, which if anyone wants to order one, if anyone's interested, I do have a coupon code, Red Panda Mining, for 10% off. Okay, you get about $16.90 off. Okay, so it's about $152 US. Okay, so if you want to do that, link down below. So feel free to use my referral code. I get a little kickback. It helps me, helps out the channel. So link down below if you guys are interested. But looking at this device here, I will have 2 of these coming, I think next month or 2, and I'll be doing a review on my 2 gas-powered cars, not on my Tesla, but on one of my trucks and then my wife's car. And so I'll plug this in on the OBD2 port, and we'll see how it goes. I'll let you guys know how much we earn. But this device here, I believe the cost also includes 2 years LTE, okay, subscription cost. It says it's covered for 2 years. So the data will be automatically sent out through the LTE on this device, which is pretty cool, right? So the OBD2 port plugs it in just under your dash, under the steering wheel. Most cars, I think, have that. But yeah, you can see here, it says weekly rewards is 6x. I believe it's pretty much the same as the Demo Auto Pi. Car data says excellent, size is compact, so it's nice and small, I guess, compared to the Auto Pi model, all right? But $150, $152 with the 10% discount. I mean, this thing in theory should then break even after about a year if I were to go off my Tesla Model X earnings. Now, I don't know if this is going to earn more than if it's going to be in like my truck or my wife's car. I will let you guys know what my earnings will be once I get it, and I can do another video on it. But so far, it's been pretty good with my Tesla, which essentially has been free. Which again, if you have a Tesla, you can start earning for free right now. Unless you're worried about privacy, which they do have something called a privacy zones, which can stop the data transfer. So let's say your home or office, you can select a privacy zone in that area and not transfer that data. Okay, so that is possible. But they do say here, all data that is collected is fully encrypted, or details around who you are, where you are, and how you drive are stored separately. So that's good to know. Currently on their website, they say they have about almost 102,536 cars connected, about 1,718 unique models, cars that are connected. So that's pretty interesting. And looking at the price of DIMO, right now, it's hovering around 17 cents, which I believe the native network which DIMO runs on is on Polygon. Now, don't quote me on this, but I believe I've heard of people also like bridging like between Ethereum and Polygon. So if you want to move it to Coinbase, you're going to have to migrate the DIMO from Polygon to Ethereum if you want to do that in order to sell to like on Coinbase, I believe. So I believe that would be the off ramp. Okay, guys. So yeah, that's really all I wanted to talk about here regarding DIMO here. Just my experience utilizing the app here with my Tesla. It's been pretty brainless, honestly. I haven't had to go in this app much. It's been getting the rewards automatically, and yeah, it's pretty nice. It's been getting the rewards automatically, and I'm like level 4, and like I have like a 40-week streak or something. And yeah, mine is a software connection because again, it's a Tesla. And so yeah, I've been earning the baseline rewards just fine. It's been working pretty good here. And it's essentially about, if I were to do the math here, 29.21. So if I went to here and if I put 29.21, that's about, I'm earning about $5 every week on this for free, which again, it's like paying for my electricity, which is only costs about $4 for me to fill up my Tesla Model X, which is not that much. So it's not going to pay for your gas for anyone that has like a gas powered car, but what's not to say that DIMO's price could, go higher than what it is now. I don't know. We'll see what happens. If the bull run comes about, that DIMO could have some price appreciation. Who knows? But otherwise, I think this is a great DePIN project, and it's utilizing the information from your car, and then you get to earn DIMO tokens from the real-time data that's being shared to developers or businesses that want to use this data. But keep in mind, if you're not comfortable with doing that, then don't get into this project. So links down below if you guys are interested in the DIMO LTER1. Again, use coupon code RedPandaMining if you are interested. Have a good one, my friends, and peace out.